In our first show, we did a song about a researcher's assertion that a sexual climax was just like a sneeze. Really? Well, we liked the song so much that we performed it again at our 10-year anniversary show.
Those with their feet planted firmly in middle age were raised on the cusp of sex education. Many were handed a blue-bound book of reproductive information and told to read it with the door closed. This slim volume, full of essential facts, defined orgasm as the release of physical tension, somewhat analogous to a sneeze. Many of us have since concluded that the author probably never had hay fever.